Oh. There's two there. You can slide off. We don't really need them holes.
That one side done.
Yeah, that's that side done. It needs to be very, very thick. And then all the rest these are neat. Big, very, very heavy, right? Seed.
Right, and then what? Then
Sorry, sausage.
right, then what do you do with it?
Please.
I've took your picture, now what?
Now we put it away.
And have you made all those boxes?
Yeah, I made a lot.
Wow.
Sometimes.
Oh, you need to pop that back in. Look, it's come up. How many have you made?
Oh, them.
Oh, and oh, wow. Great.
That doesn't mind. Daddy will fix it.
Okay.
You can take a picture of them all
Oh, thanks.
with me.
Smile.